everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix the issue of your Claude shows a duplicate text when you type something, or it shows some kind of glitches or errors or some distorted effects on anything that you type or write on the Claude. Now, in order to fix that, all you need to do is to just simply click on your profile option, then go to settings. Inside the settings, you simply need to go to the section of general. Now here in the general, you simply need to disable the hardware acceleration, and if you're not able to find it from here, you can simply disable the dedicated GPU use from the settings as well. Simply go to the settings and go to apps and then go to installed apps, and in here you need to find the and locate the Claude. And once you select the Claude, make sure that click on advanced option and make sure that the background app permission set it to a power optimize. That way it will simply not use hardware acceleration, and it will simply not use the dedicated GPU, and it will definitely gonna solve all your distortion problem with the text on Claude.
Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.